Welcome to itdesk.tv. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to database management. Now, what is a database and the definition as you need it? And this is for the students doing CSEC, okay? It's a repository of information, a collection of tables that are related to each other. It's a repository of information, a collection of tables that are related to each other. What does that mean? I'm going to be demonstrating now, if you look on my screen, what exactly we're talking about. So I'm going to create a blank database. All right. Design. The first table name, so you understand the concept. We're going to do a table for a student. What would be a repository or a collection of information relating to a student? Say, for example, the student is at school. What do we need? The student needs an ID. All right. The student has a first name, which is a text. I'll talk more about data types as we go into it. The student has, at a minimum, a last name. All right. What else? A date of birth. All right, that's a date. Anything else that a student would have? So we know the first name, last name, date of birth. How about, okay, parent? Or let's just use the word guardian. Okay. A telephone number. A mobile. Let's put that in there. And so forth. The collection of data or the collection of information that would uniquely identify the student. So let's look at it. First name, last name, date of birth, their guardian, telephone, mobile. So home telephone. What else could we put in here? An email address. That would identify the student. So when we're creating, and this is now our first table, all right, that we have. Yes. We can click on it, and that's how it shows up. Or we could right click and go to design. That's the table. Remember, whatever you're collecting on the table must be related to it. So the student, everything I collected here is specific to the student. We'll talk about the students' classes that they take, the students' grade that they're in, and things of that nature will be a separate table because that's a different thing. But as it relates to the student, this is where we'll start. So we'll build on this going forward. itdesk.tv, unlocking doors.